Hey guys, as you know, there are lots of tools are available to create images. Like you can create a free images from ChatGPT also, but you know that it will take some time, or we can not create consistent images. Like we have lots of alternatives. Like we have Midjourney, we have Adobe Firefly, we have Stable Diffusion, we have lots of things. But here I am giving you a free AI image generator that will create a consistent image throughout this. Now, with that consistent image, we can either create a story or something story video, like image to video we can create like that. So first let's create a prompt. So we'll give a character. So we will create a prompt like this, like a, a masked man who to protect the city, and its name is Dear Devil. Give me image prompt for that. Okay, it's not creating image, but we don't need the image. We will ask ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT to just give me a prompt here. Okay. Now add a name. So why we are adding a name here? Because if we add a name, then then the then our image generator will think that this is a consistent character. Now add a name. Name. Sorry. Now add a name here is Dear Devil. So it will be consistent to the character. CHAR character. Okay. Okay. Now we have a prompt. Now we will open it a link labs.google, and this one is not available for, it is only available for United States, but you can access it via VPN. So I am here connected a VPN here, VPN, and this, you can see it is connected to USA. So let's check it out how it's going. I'm going to paste the prompt here. Now I will check it out here a setting. I will make it a seed. So what is that? It will logged it and will create a similar output. So it's with Daredevil, and let's create something went wrong. It is private prompt again. Okay. Okay. Now there is a problem with Daredevil or something. Or we will create. Okay. Create a different prompt from a laboratory guy who doing different different experiments in different experiment in lab. Cartoon character. A cartoon character. Add a name. Add a name. Alex to that character. Okay, we have got a prompt. Let's try this. Hope it will not create. Okay, it's creating. So wait a second. It will create the image. Okay, you can see the Alex XX that is there. So it's generated one image. Let's try something more. Okay. Okay, you can say that it's created a consistent character. Now we can say create a that AKX. Okay, the AKX, a character name AKX, a character name AKX. Now it's working. Now it's walking on the road. Okay, let's see. Okay, mm, it's not created. Okay, yes, see it also. But you can see that the three images are the similar one, but with a walking on the road, and then he is driving a car. See, the main thing is depend upon the prompt. If you give the right prompt, it will generate the output according to that. Like I have now written in character name AKX, and now then we need driving a car, so it change according to that. Now what I need to do, I need to add a prompt here. Uh, so so I need to tell ChatGPT, give me a prompt. So in every image creation, creation that the image will be consistent. So it will generate the same output, and I will change the story here. I will change the story here. Okay, it's give now the character. We need to give a character name here. So a character name will be a cartoon character name. A character name we have give a name Alex. So we will give a Alex, and so the character name is Alex. Now why we need to change the Alex thing on the card? The Alex will be changed, and according to that they will it's see he will give me Alex, so we will give you the name Alex as Google. So what is that? A cartoon character. It will generate a consistent character and can adjust the story of the e-scene and keeping the character style consistent. So what you need to do, keeping the name similar so they can understand. This is something I did not check out the content policy here. Okay, okay, something with your prompt. We will generate different prompt here. Let's try it. So we have got a problem here. Let me refresh it. Okay. Seat. You need to enable this one. Powered by Amazon Key. Minimalistic minimal. Okay. Create. So it will create it. So it's creating. Let's see. Okay. It will create say two images, but we need the same image. Let's try it. Okay, let's create the same image with different time, and we will remove the minimal one. We will give detail. Let's see. You can create your YouTube thumbnails also. You just need to give it a proper prompt here. The prompt is the main thing. If you see this cartoon character and this one is like the similar one, and you can create a storyline according to that. And in next video I will teach you how you can create a text to this with image, and create a Pixar type animation movie with that. So guys, I will attach the link in description box, and if you have any doubt, then please comment down, so I will try to sort it out with you. Thank you guys. So guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you join our Telegram channel to get the latest updates.